This week in maths we are learning all about data. Today we are looking at representing and interpreting data, how we show the data and how we read and understand it. Our aim is to represent data with objects and drawings and describe the displays. What is data? Data is quantities. How many? Information. It can be shown on graphs. It is a measurement. How many? It is observations. Something that we notice or something that we have seen. Facts. Truths. And it entails numbers. Now, this wants us to find out what the most popular fruit is in our class. We're not in school at the moment, so we're going to pretend that we're going to take a tally. See this word? Tally. If we were in school, we would ask all of our friends what their favorite fruit was. And each time somebody told us maybe an orange, we would put a little line here. If somebody said a strawberry, we would put a little line here. And we would keep going as people give us their answers. So we're going to pretend that we have done that. So, look at my graph here. Now, let me just move the screen. Now, we have all of our fruit on the bottom and our numbers here on the side. We're going to pretend that 1, 2, 3, 4 boys and girls like oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boys and girls like banana. I don't even think that's an orange. Maybe this is an orange. We're going to pretend that 3 people like strawberries. I think that is an apple. And this is an orange. 4 people like an apple. 6 boys and girls like bananas. 1 person likes an orange. 3 people like strawberries. Watermelon, one of my favorite ones. We're going to say 8 people like watermelon. We're going to say 5 people like grapes. And 2 people like all of the fruit. Can we see our graph here? So look very closely at it. Now, which fruit is the most popular fruit? Which fruit does most of the class like? I'll give you 1 minute to look at the graph. The answer is watermelon. Can you see it? 8. I'm going all the way up on my watermelon and all the way across to read 8. 8 boys and girls like watermelon. It is the most popular. Which one is the least popular fruit? The least popular. The orange. The orange is the least popular. Only 1 person likes it. It is the least popular fruit in the class. How many boys and girls like grapes? Have a look at your graph. How many boys and girls like grapes? We can go up our graph and over to read 5, or we can count each block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many boys and girls like strawberries? 3. Can you see? We can go up and across to read, or we can count by the blocks. 1, 2, 3. Well done, boys.